Did you know that over 60% of car breakdowns start with minor issues that could have been prevented with a simple fix? That's right. Something as small as a worn-out gas cap can trigger your check engine light, lower your fuel economy, and even lead to expensive repairs down the road. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you how a simple gas cap trick can make your engine run like new again. This could save you hundreds of dollars and keep your car running at peak performance. So don't miss a second of this. Let's get started. Most drivers don't give their gas cap a second thought. You unscrew it, fill up, screw it back on, simple, right? But this little cap does more than just cover your fuel tank. It seals the EVAP system, maintaining proper pressure and preventing fuel from evaporating. If the gas cap is worn out, loose, or even missing, you're basically letting fuel vapor escape. That means your car's computer detects a pressure loss, throws a check engine light, and compensates by adjusting the air-fuel ratio. The result? Your car burns more gas, loses power, and your car might even fail an emissions test. But don't panic. Next, I am going to show you exactly how to diagnose and fix this problem with a few simple steps. First, let's discuss how do you know if your gas cap is the problem. Here are 4 best methods to find out. Step 1. The click test. Most gas caps should click when tightened properly. If yours doesn't, or if it feels too loose, that means the seal isn't working anymore. Step 2. The gasket inspection. Take a close look at this rubber ring. If it's cracked, dry, or missing chunks, that's a big problem. Without this soft seal, air and fuel vapors can leak out, messing with your car's fuel system. Step 3. The smell test. Do you smell gasoline even when the car is off? That could mean your cap isn't sealing properly and fuel vapors are escaping. Step 4. Use OBD2 scanner. You can also find fuel cap issue by using an OBD2 scanner. Plug in your OBD2 scanner to your car's OBD2 port under the dashboard and turn the ignition to on. If you see P0457, P0456, P0442, or P0455 trouble code on the scanner, it means there is something wrong with your fuel cap. Now, if you're experiencing any of these issues, don't ignore them. Check your fuel cap and ensure it is tightly secured. If the cap is damaged, the best fix is replace it. According to carcare.org, a leading industry association, almost 1 in 5 vehicles on the road today needs a new gas cap. This causes almost 150 million gallons of fuel to evaporate into the atmosphere every year. The good news is, the fuel cap is cheap to replace. You can grab one for about $10 to $20 at any auto parts store or online. It can instantly improve your car's performance. But what if your gas cap looks fine and still isn't sealing properly? Well, I've got a secret trick for you. This is one of my favorite hacks. If your gas cap gasket is just a little dry but not cracked, grab some WD-40, spray a small amount on a paper towel and wipe it around the rubber seal. This helps soften and restore the rubber, making sure it seals properly. A quick spray of WD-40 on the cap's threading and the fuel filler neck can also loosen the grime and prevent sticking. This trick can extend the life of your gas cap and prevent leaks before they become a bigger problem. So, next time you fill up, don't just pump and go. Give that gas cap a quick check. It takes seconds but could save you tons of money and stress down the road. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car-saving tips. Do you have any question or any tip that you want to share? Drop in the comments section. I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe.